Today is a good day to change your life. That's all I have to say. Bye-bye. Okay, practice with me. Today, today, 2, swing your finger out, 2, then day, day. So you start with the D hand on your same side, and then you arc it up and down over to your opposite side. Day, day, today, today, today. Is, I and S, is, a, good, good. So there's just flat hands, and you take your lead hand at your mouth and bring it down into your support hand. Good, good. Day, day, 2, 2, change, change. So you have A hands, and you're going to put your support hand on its side with the palm up. Your lead hand is going to go on top of it, and then you're going to change and move over to the lead hand side with the lead hand up and support hand on top of it. So change, 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 like this. Change, change, change. Your life, life. L hands, and bring them up the sides of your body right here. Life, life. That's, that. It's a Y hand, and you take it to the opposite side. That's, the apostrophe S for is, make it the contraction, so that's, all. Your lead hand is palm out, and your support hand is palm in. You're going to go around your support hand and place your lead hand in on it at the end. So, lead hand, palm out, go out and down and come in between your hand and your body and place your lead hand on your support hand, ending with both palms in. So, all. I, it's just an I hand placed on your chest. I have fingertips, place them right here on your shoulder blade. Have, 2, say. Your first finger taps on the same side right under your chin twice. Say. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. And again is bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, practice saying it with me now. Ready? Today is a good day to change your life. That's all I have to say. Bye-bye. Or, today is a good day to change your life. That's all I have to say. Bye-bye.